Well, I have a new method for you to make a lot of money. This method has been available for some time now, but I only found this out recently, and I'm sure a lot of you have not actually got access to this opportunity. So today I'm going to take my time to show you and explain to you how you can easily make a lot of money. You can make about $100 every day for actually doing a couple of things. It's very, very easy to do. So you just want to make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to explain to you how it works. I'm going to show you what you need to do so that you can actually make the money. Now, you might ask yourself, is this free? Well, it is absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to do this. There are no registration fees or anything like that, so you don't have to worry about paying any money. And it doesn't really matter where you're from. If you're in America or Australia or South America or Africa, Europe, Asia, you can actually get access to this opportunity. But you just want to make sure you watch the video all the way to the end. Don't skip any part of the video, because I'm going to show you how you're going to go about it. So you want to make sure you don't skip an important step. Now, before everything, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click subscribe. It's absolutely free to subscribe. You don't have to pay anything. Just click that red button, subscribe. Turn on all post notifications so that anytime I have a new video for you, you can easily be able to watch my videos. So, the first website I want to show you is Coinbase, coinbase.com. So when you put coinbase.com in your URL, you're going to get onto this page over here. As you can see, this is Coinbase. So you're going to see this, and it's going to look a bit confusing. I'm sure you've heard about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin and so on. So I'm going to make sure it's not so confusing for you. So I'm going to show you what to do. You want to come over here and you want to click get $115 plus. This green icon over here, you just want to click on that. So when you click on that, you're going to see a couple of different options over here. So what is actually happening here is that they're going to provide you with a course, different courses, which can help you to learn about cryptocurrency, about Bitcoin. So you're going to learn these courses, and these courses are absolutely free. Instead of you paying money to actually participate in these courses, they are actually paying you money for actually joining these courses. Imagine that. It's so amazing. Instead of you paying money to actually do the course, they're going to pay you money for actually doing the course, because they want to bring awareness about cryptocurrency. They want people to know about it, and for that matter, they're willing to pay you to actually get knowledge. For example, here we have Kyber. Kyber is a protocol that aims to make exchanging Ethereum tokens easy and frictionless. Learn how it works and you will earn up to $6 in KNC. As you can see over here, you want to click start course and you're going to earn $6 for learning about Kyber. When you come down over here, this Compound. Compound is a protocol that lets anyone borrow to earn interest on their crypto. Learn how it works and you earn up to $9 in COMP. So if you want to do this course, you just want to click start course and you're going to earn $9. So it is for people who don't have much knowledge on how it all works, cryptocurrency and all those things. So to learn about it, you're going to earn $6 over here for this course. For this course, you're going to learn and you're going to get $9 for this. So you get $6 for this course, $9 for this course. Now we have here Orchard. Orchard is a crypto powered privacy tool. Learn how it works and you will get free OXT to try out Orchard's VPN service. View. Tezos is a cryptocurrency and blockchain designed for safety, open participation and upgradability. Learn how it works and you'll earn up to $6 in XTZ. So all these different courses absolutely free. Here's one, earn $50. There's a course where you're going to earn $50. And it's really nice because you don't really pay money and you get knowledge. Instead of you going to learn about cryptocurrency somewhere else, Coinbase is going to provide you with the information and they're going to pay you to learn about cryptocurrency. Imagine that. That is so amazing. So that is the first opportunity I want to show you today, where Coinbase, you're going to actually just make money for learning something that you would actually pay money for. So if you haven't already heard about Coinbase, you want to go onto coinbase.com and you want to get over here and you just want to choose on the course that you desire, whichever you like. At the end of the day, you can do all of them. So you can do each and every one and make the most money. That's why they said get $115 plus, because when you do all the courses, you're going to get that amount and you get knowledge as well. So it's absolutely cool. So the second website I want to take my time to show you is called Earnably. So it's earnably.com. Earnably, as you read over here, it says digital rewards and gift cards made easy. Earn instant rewards by completing tasks, watching videos, and taking surveys. It's that easy. So I'm going to explain to you how it works. So Earnably, you want to focus on watching videos because that is what gives you the most points. And with the points, you can then convert the points into money and then you can withdraw the money. So for example, if you watch a video 5 minutes, you're going to get 23 points for this category. So there are different categories. So in this category, you're going to watch 5 minutes, you're going to get 58 points. Now, every color that you see over here, every option you see over here are different categories of videos that you can watch. So you want to watch different videos and get different amounts of points for the amount of times you watch the video. So for example, if you do something over here and you watch 25 minutes, you're going to get 67 points. Over here, if you do 5 minutes, you're going to get 202 points. So the more you watch videos, the more points you get. And the more points you get, the more money you can get, and you can decide how you want to receive your rewards. For example, it says here easy instant rewards. Redeem your points for instant cash rewards or free gift cards from your favorite brands and retailers. There's PayPal. You can get your money directly to PayPal, or you can get something at this company, Whole Foods, or get something at an Airbnb, or get something from Amazon or Domino's or Dunkin' Donuts, Best Buy, something on Xbox. It depends what you actually want. Most of the people just want the money, so you just want to make sure that you get your money directly to PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, you want to create a PayPal account. It's absolutely free, so that they can transfer your money into your PayPal account, and then you can just withdraw your money or do whatever you want if you want to buy something online or whatever. So Earnably is really awesome. A lot of people are doing it, and it makes sense because people are actually looking for more viewers to their videos, and they're actually paying Earnably to promote their videos, so that anytime somebody comes onto Earnably and they watch the video, the advertiser is going to pay you the money they've paid Earnably to pay you. So advertisers have given a certain amount of money to Earnably concerning the video, so anybody who watches the video is going to get paid, because they want more views. People want more views on their videos, and they want to advertise their products, so they want more awareness on what they do as a business. So you're going to get money for that. So it's a cool opportunity. You don't need to stress. You can be at home and do this. You can do this on your phone or on your computer. It doesn't matter. So at the end of the day, before everything, you actually need to sign up. It's absolutely free. You just want to click on here, sign up, and it's a very straightforward process to sign up. Email address, phone number, username, password. Click these boxes, sign up. Easy to do. Now, the third option I want to show you is called IntelliZoom Panel. The URL is intellizoom.com. So what is it all about? Get paid quickly and easily, as you can read over here. Saving up for something or looking for that bit of extra spending money? Join the people all over the world making additional income by sharing their experiences. Influence product experiences. Make an immediate impact on the products that you love and use today by sharing your opinion with the people that make and improve those products. So basically, it's all about giving feedback on certain products. It's all about giving feedback on certain products. So the first thing you want to do, you want to click let's do this. You want to sign up, click put in your first name, last name, absolutely free to sign up. Now I'm going to take my time to explain to you what you're going to be getting paid for. You are going to, for example, they're going to give you a website to go and look at. Then when you go onto a website, you want to go through the website and check what you like about the website. Maybe it's not cool, maybe you like the website, maybe there's some products you like on the website. Then you're going to give feedback to this company concerning the website, concerning different products. Maybe you just bought something on Amazon, so you want to give feedback concerning that specific product. So every time you give feedback onto this platform, IntelliZoom, they are going to pay you for that feedback. So instead of just giving random feedback, you actually get money for actually providing concrete feedback. For example, maybe you go on a certain website, you give your feedback on how the website looks. Or maybe you made a purchase on a website, or you got something from Amazon and there's something about it that you didn't like, so you want to give that certain feedback. You want to give feedback to the website, to IntelliZoom, and IntelliZoom is going to give that feedback, for example, to Amazon or the different companies. So it's really cool to do, absolutely easy. It takes you about 15 to 20 minutes, as you can see. Got 15 to 20 minutes to spare. Giving feedback is easy. Participate in studies remotely, on your schedule, from your home, or on the go, using your own device. So it's really cool to do. Just giving feedback, get paid. As you see over here, give feedback, get paid. It's that easy to do. So whichever you want to do, just combine all three websites and you can make more money every single day. So I want to take my time to just let you know that it's absolutely worth it, because you don't really need experience to do this. You don't need to be a computer genie. You don't need to be a genius to do this. It's so easy to do. It doesn't matter where you're from. It's absolutely free. You don't lose anything. You actually just gain 100%. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it helps you. If you have any questions, comment them down in the comment section below. Turn on all post notifications for my next videos. Subscribe if you haven't already to the AD Money channel. I would really appreciate that. And thank you so much for watching. Cheers.